Hello everyone. India's commercial vehicle sector, which is also known as CV sector, is likely to observe a cyclical recovery on the back of ongoing investments in the infra segment. The substantial improvement in medium and in heavy commercial vehicle is also opening ample avenue for the companies who are associated with auto components directly or indirectly. If you try to foresee the outlook, global demand for trucks is expected to recover because of increasing traction in Class 8 truck order books. So today, in this video, we are going to research a small cap company but who is having largest market share in their product segment. Well, the company name is GNA Axles, who is into axles manufactures for auto companies. So let's begin. First, about the GNA Axles Limited. The company GNA Axles is specialized in manufacturing auto components for the four-wheeler industry. Their primary products include rear axles, shafts, spindles, and other automobile components. Moreover, they sell these products in both domestic and foreign markets. Currently, company has also a large variety of axle shafts ranging from 1.5 kilograms to 65 kilograms and has the capacity to produce up to 165 kilograms. GNA's products are widely consumed the world over by leading OEM manufacturers across the world. Now, let's understand the business or product portfolio GNA Axles Limited. By the way, company has strong business profile. The products find application in light commercial vehicles, medium commercial vehicles, heavy commercial vehicles, buses and agricultural tractors and machinery, forestry, construction, defense and mining equipment. Under its product portfolio, the company has 3 products having in different sizes. So let's understand the product bifurcations in detail. So first one is rear axle shafts. Rear axle shafts is company's primary product with the capacity to manufacture shafts of up to 165 kilograms input weight. Company manufactures and supplies a diverse range of rear axle shafts for the vehicles under the on-highway and off-highway segment. The product also finds its application with other specialty vehicles used for mining and defense. So let's know the second product, that is spindles. The company manufactures spindles for both on-highway and off-highway vehicular segments, largely catering to HCVs and specialty vehicles. Spindle is a part of axle housing assembly of an automobile. The main purpose of the spindle is to transmit torque. Now let's discuss about last product, which is of other, drive shafts. Here, company manufactures other shafts including drive shafts, power takeoff shafts, hydraulic lift shafts and transmission shafts. Basically, these shafts are a part of transmission assembly of an automobile. Drive shaft is a mechanical component for transmitting torque and rotation. It is usually used to connect other components of a drivetrain that otherwise cannot be connected directly, either due to distance or for the need of allowing relative movement between them. Now let's move to revenue bifurcation by segment, by products and geography. So if look at the segment-wise revenue chart, both segment contribute similar percentage of revenue. But as of FY22, off-highway segment contributed 51.2% of revenue and CV 48.8%. Now if you look at chart of product-wise revenue chart, rear axles drive the high chunk to the revenue. In fact, we can say rear axles is their hero products. On the other hand, spindles contributes 15% and other shafts contributes nearly 8% to revenue. So now look at third chart of geographical wise revenue. Major revenue drives from the export segment, which is contributing 61.2%, whereas domestic contributing approximately 41%. Let's discuss about the capacity. Over the past 3 or 4 years, company is expanding its capacity. In fact, the total capacity grew by 13.76% CAGR in past 5 years. So by this expansion, we can validate that company is also optimistic to meet the demand. For other parameters like group family chart and cost structure of the company, you can visit to our blog portal, which is displayed on your screen. Now we will know the management of the company. First, Mr. Gursaran Singh. Mr. Gursaran Singh is the chairman of the company. He started his career in a family concerned with manufacturing agricultural implements. In 1954, he turned to the auto parts manufacturing line and introduced in the auto spare market with different manufacturing units run by GNA Group. Gears, axles, shaft and many more. Second, Mr. Jaswinder Singh. Mr. Jaswinder Singh is Vice Chairman of the company. He is a graduate with more than 33 years of experience in the auto component industry. Third, Mr. Ranbir Singh. Mr. Ranbir is heading the position of MD and CEO. He has over 30 years of experience in the engineering and auto components industry. He serves as a Director of Association of Indian Forging Industry, Capital Local Area Bank Limited, GNA Gears, GNA Investment and Guru Nanak Transmission Punjab. He also holds a diploma in mechanical engineering from Punjab State Board of Technical Education. Now we will know the financial health of the company. Over the past 10 years, company is continuously making higher revenues except in 2 years. For the latest 10 years its revenue has been grown at 16.42% CAGR. Furthermore, profit after tax grew at the rate of 29.15% CAGR in last 10 years. In fact, free cash flow also grew at the rate of 9.74% CAGR. Moving on to margins in it also increased, describing the cost optimization and better profitability. Now let's discuss the management's key highlights. So, company has scheduled a capex of 250 crore rupees over the next 3 years as its capacity utilization is reaching 80%, which will be around 70 to 80 crore per year. This will also lead to an increase in its capacity by 2 million pieces per year. Moreover, company is facing a slowdown in North American markets and hoping that the North American market may recover in the medium term. Meanwhile, European and South American market is stable for the company. Further, in domestic region, CV market has performed over 30% and tractor over 10%, that is 100k more tractors. Moreover, currently company holds 75% share in the tractor market. On the other hand, company has recently forayed into SUV segment which has a utilization of 50% till Jan and expects to get it to 80% till June. Now let's understand the last parameters, that is of SWOT analysis. So first is about strengths, market leadership position and strong brand recognition. Now let's come to opportunities. Long and established relationship with the customers and rising demand in Indian CV business on weakness. Susceptibility of margins to volatility in raw material prices and exposure to cyclicality in automobile industry. And finally, on the threats, competitive pressures and slowdown in North America. That's it for today. For more stock research, mutual funds and investing ideas, visit our blog portal. Link is mentioned in the description box. Like and comment if you find our efforts useful.